Alright, so what we have here is a cutaway of Master Lock 175, the new high security lock that they produced. Now, they've made several improvements over the old 175, and the old one was real easy. You could actually bypass the lock by sticking something in and actually flipping up the lock mechanism. That trick no longer works. The only way that you can get into this lock now is the old feeler. So you take yourself an old Coke can and just cut yourself something like this, and you know, you can see we've got it locked here, and you can go through and stick this in here. It's kind of difficult to do it on the bench, but you slide this down next to the thing, the tumbler, and these locks are pretty tight, so you got to really work to get it down in there. So you get it down in there, and you can actually feel the groove, and move it one by one, and you can actually feel it slip into the groove. It's actually kind of difficult to do, but sometimes I just use a pick to click through the numbers. Alright, looks like I need to make a new one. So, you just cut it off. You gotta bend it a little bit because it's got to get around a little thing. Not too much though. You can get it right down the side of the unit. You actually feel it drop in there. You can actually feel the guide. So it goes in and it drops in. Then you know you're right on top of it. So what you want to do is take that number down. That's a 6. So you go through. And for the ease of it, you just go through that from left to right, and you'll feel it go down in the groove. There's a little slot right there that it goes down to on the half mark. So I happen to know the combination of this. So when you get it all on there to the combination that you think it is, it's 5 clicks. The half mark is 5 clicks up from the center line of this. So move each one 5 spots, and you'll get it open. So that's pretty much it. They've done a pretty good job with this master, considering their track record, the 175. Thanks. Enjoy your picking.